Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Hayden wig by Amore, and this color is light chocolate. I wanted to review this one particularly in light chocolate because this color has been around a long time, and I think the name really throws people for a loop because I don't think they realize that this is just a really pretty light auburn color. So if you're really into like the 27MB from John Renault, this is really similar. It's just a little bit darker. It's kind of like in between the shaded peach and that 27MB. It's just a really luscious color. If you are really intrigued about this color, make sure you check out CysterWigs 2 and subscribe to both. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of our content. We try to post pretty regularly once the season is up and running. My initial impression of this wig is that it's painful, and that's because it's an Amore wig, and Amore wigs fit petite average. They're really tight on me. I have an average large cap circumference, and this wig is brutally small, so I'm going to try to keep this really nice and short and sweet. This is what Hayden looks like on all sides. She has glorious layering, just a beautiful, beautiful wig. The fiber feels kind of dry, so, you know, to me that means that if this gets returned, it's probably gonna look like a nightmare because it's probably gonna tangle quite a bit. So get your silicone spray ready to keep this one nice and tangle-free as you wear it. You will thank me later. I'm serious. Simply Style and Spray, look it up on our website. It will save this wig for you. Let me show you what the inside of Hayden looks like. Now, just so you know, right off the bat, Amore wigs tend to fit on the petite side of average. They're meant to give you a very close fit up against a bald or relatively bare scalp. So if you are a member of the big-headed tribe like I am and you have a 23.5-inch circumference or something akin to that, this is going to be very tight. But for the majority of wig wearers who actually tend to be in the average, which probably isn't that shocking, or in the petite average range, this is gonna fit great. We do have a lot of hair on Hayden here. You can tell by how many tracks you have in the back and how close they are. This is the ear tab, and it is covered with lace. There's a little bit of metal. Make sure that it's up against the sides of the head before you walk out the door. It's gonna give a little bit of extra structural support to the wig as you wear it. The nape just kind of goes straight across and has lace covering it. It adjusts like a bra in the back here, and you can see when you pull on it that it's not really stretching a whole lot, and part of that's because of the fit itself, as I mentioned towards the beginning of this video, but the rest of it's because this part of the cap, the monofilament portion, is pretty rigid and it's not going to move that much. This is actually two different layers of material because it is a double monofilament top, meaning that you've got the regular monofilament bits kind of like on the lace front of this particular wig, and you know, it's kind of scratchy. So what they do to kind of help you out is they put this really silky layer of silk chiffon on the underside, so that way you're not as likely to get abrasions from wearing your wig. We also have a band of polyurethane right at the front hairline. This is not a lace front wig. There's not any felt on the top of this lining any of the features, so you may want to consider wearing a wig cap with this. It'd be really nice if they put felt features on some of these Amore styles, particularly since they're made to be worn by women who are virtually bald. And these wigs don't stretch a whole lot, so just kind of keep that in mind. There's Hayden. Welcome back, everybody. Before I go, I want to show you, I'm wearing like Mark Trainer tape today, and you can see that I'm not really able to cover the silicone tape. So that is really indicative of the fact that this is shallow on me, so I have to really wear the hair forward to pull this off. If I were to wear this off the face, it would definitely not be unclockable. So tight, definitely made for somebody with a smaller head than me. Super cute, which makes me sad because I wish I could wear this every day. But this one, alas, is not made for a member of the big-headed tribe. But if you are not a member of that tribe and you're part of like the petite average gang, this one's gonna be great, and she's beautiful on. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs, that's CysterWigs.com. Cyster, but spelled weird, because I have polycystic ovary syndrome. And I'd like to end with a moment of gratitude. Thanks thanks to our patrons on Patreon. Thanks for my husband for helping me clean all this stuff up after I run through here and just tear up the place making these reviews. And thank you for watching, everybody. I appreciate you being here with me, and I hope you had a good time watching. Until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.